sidebar a bit to look more like our mockup here, where it says your task. There's a bit of info about what this area is. This nice little separator, and most importantly, this checkbox where we're indicating whether a task was completed or not. Right now we do cross it out, but there's no indication of it's because you completed it or if you failed. So just by adding this empty square or filled out square, it's a better indicator of what is actually going on with your tasks. So let's first start off with the simple thing, just renaming it. Side objectives. I think that was objectives container. So this will now be your tasks. And we have a BR here, but instead of just a BR, maybe, well, we also want this. Complete these tasks to earn magical weapons. Okay. Tag. Complete these tasks to earn magical weapons. Instead of just BR, we're also going to add a HR. And I have a feeling we're going to want to shrink it. So I'm going to give it a ID of tasks. Line. No, task. What does HR stand for? HR HTML stand for horizontal rule. Okay, cool. So we'll call it tasks horizontal rule. Let's make this one word. All right, or I could just say HR. Yeah, task HR. That works better. Okay. Let's make this italics. So throw that in there. And I want this to be bold. Maybe I do, maybe I do. Let's look at it first. Your task. Complete these tasks to earn magical weapons. I'm going to shrink that a bit. Maybe add a BR under it too. Yeah, let's make this bold. I like how that looked. Yeah. So strong will make it bold. So here, add a BR right there. And we'll check that. Your tasks. Complete these tasks to earn magical weapons. Line break. Nice. So it looks like we're going to want it to be thinner. And is that? Okay, so that looks like it's regular font size. It's just this is a pretty small frame. So we could leave that as it is. We're just going to shrink this. Objectives container SCSS. And I'm targeting ID tasks HR. I want width maybe 50%. Okay, and also, what do you call that? Stroke? I don't want it so wide. Can I do anything about that? I wonder. Objectives container, ID task, HR, display block overflow, border width maybe. So if we drop that, oops, can't do anything about that. So let's overwrite border width. 0.5 px. Nothing. Okay. Margin, blah, blah, blah. What if I put it here? It looks like, or drop it lower. Negative. How does that work? Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's look this up. HR HTML CSS dinner. Yeah. Height. Adding a background color. Style to HR with height and color specified. Okay. Interesting. Longer explanation, yes, please. Okay, looks like this is the recommended way. Let's do this. Ah, that's interesting. Okay. Changing the borders can be challenging. So we could play around with stuff. Cool. Could even rotate it. Nice. Okay. I'll do that. So over here. Okay. Let's see how that looks. And that is too thin and too dark. I wonder what color was this. Can I click? Maybe that? What is this? Oh, A5. Okay. Okay. So like that looks the same as before. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. Okay. So next up, I want a checkbox. Objectives container. Basically, every single item. Looks like this is the container, objective container, objective status. And this is the text. So in front of this, we want a span. And inside of the span, nothing. Let's just give it a class name equals either we have. So inside of here, objective status triple equals. Well, let's see what are our options. Objective dot status completed or failed. Completed. And we'll have a class name of task completed. Otherwise, objective. Otherwise, yeah. Okay. So let's go to our SCSS objectives container. And inside of completed, oops, Oh, it looks like we already have completed and failed. So maybe I don't need conditional logic here. I am just gonna say this is checkbox. And inside of checkbox, you're gonna have width tiny 2 and height tiny 2. Problem. Let me go back here. So this is only for completed and failed. What about regular? It looks like maybe here I'm also going to need a checkbox. Yeah. So why does this have a p tag, but this does not? Let's add a p tag here. Whoops. Strong, and then all that stuff. Let's give it a better layout. So like that, and enter here. Strong and strong close, and there. Okay, that's more consistent. Okay, so completed or not, we need to take care of checkbox. What is the class name here? Just objective. Whereas this is objective plus some other thing. Okay. So objective. And this is and this can go in here. And then keep going, order 1px solid silver or whatever this is. And then our completed is going to have background color also. Dot checkbox background color. And it's solid A5. A5. Let's see how this looks. Not what I expected. Okay. So it's not taking up the full width, and also it's taking up a whole line. Maybe this needs to be wider. But even, oh well, let's see. Oh, the p tag probably it. So yeah, this needs to move inside the p tag. And give it a min width. Okay, it's in the right spot, but the width is not showing. And let's expand that a bit. Objectives, container. I think I need to go up one in container. Sidebar container. We've got flex 1, main container flex 6. Maybe drop that down to 5. Yeah, that looks okay. And how to increase your width. Inspect that. Checkbox, min width 4 pixels. Well, maybe that is right, but we just need to increase it. No? Okay. So what if we change this to width? No? Okay. What if we did flex basis? Min width 48 pixel. I'm totally guessing. Width 48 pixel. No. Okay. What else can I do? Maybe. How to force and to have width. Oh, I think I have an idea. Empty span right now. So what if we put something in it? Where's, oh, this is wrong file. This one. So what if we added an empty string? This piece. Nope. But it is 4 pixel. Let's not do 4 pixel. Let's just do tiny. 8 pixels is always visible. That's not it, so let's go to Google. Padding width. That's it. The style type on float left width. It looks like width should have did it. Unless I'm not targeting it correctly. So we've got objective, checkbox. Objective P checkbox. Although it does have that. So what's the deal? Well, either way, let's first fix that. So why is this not working? Oh, it's not min width, it's just width. It just doesn't work. Huh. Interesting. Such a simple problem, but very important that it looks like a square. What do we do? And in fact, this needs a space. Checkbox. Yeah, that's fine. Class name checkbox. It just doesn't quite work. So what else does Google have? Does not apply to span. Span is inline. It has no width or height. You could turn it into a block, inline block. no subgroup dimension. Okay. Display inline block. Cool. Did not know that. That looks more like it. So should I use a div instead? Let's experiment. So and is now a div. Div will force it to the next line, I think. Well, let's see. Yeah, it did. Okay, so I want span. Display inline block. Cool. Now we just have to test completing the objective and see if that's what we want, as well as failing the objective. So never really like 2. Let's attack 2. And you could burn yourself, and then 2 will attack yourself, and 1 will attack 2. That way, 4 will complete his objective. Nice. But then that didn't get checked, and it didn't get crossed out. So we'll have to figure out why. Objectives container completed. Checkbox. Let's see. This is objective completed. Objective P completed. Actually, that's yeah. So maybe I should just turn the P into the div. I think that would be better. Objective completed. Yeah, let's get rid of P. And in the HTML also. This will become the P tag. Okay. Okay, so let's start from 1. You need to attack 3. And 3. Flamethrower 4. And 3. So 1 should have completed his objective. Nice. So it got crossed out, but this should also get filled in. Didn't happen. The cross should also extend to it, but that's not that big of a deal. Let's see. Objective completed checkbox. Objective completed checkbox. Okay. Background color got overwritten. That's probably it. So if it didn't get overwritten, what would happen? Background color, yeah, solid. A5, A5, A5. It's just not happening. Okay. So, what if I used background? MPX solid A5, A5, A5. Oh, okay. Why is it getting overwritten? Let's go over here and complete a checkbox. Let's add a important. Still not overwritten. Interesting. What if we turn that into an ID? But then that's not really an ID. It should be a class name. Okay. Objective checkbox completed checkbox. And it's not allowed. Is there a fill option? CSS and fill color. Background color looks right. So what's the deal? Oh, what's this guy saying? First, your markup is not correct. You have a block element H3 span button clay should behave as a block. Is it because it's inline block? Does that affect it? We could test that real quick. If it was block, would it work? No. But what if we had background color here? Oh, 1px solid? That doesn't make sense. Background color? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. It should just be the color. Oops. We'll talk it. And this was inline. There we go. It's more like it. And for failed line through text color, same color. You just won't have it filled. So if we go to player 2, his target was 1. Let's have him fail his mission. So 1 will initiate the attack, 2 will go along with it. Oh, play it. Your target is 4. Your target is 2. So let's attack 4. You will attack 1. Or you will attack 1. And you will attack 1. You are defeated. Wait, who is defeated? Oh, you have been eliminated. Maybe it should say you have been eliminated instead. Whatever, that's fine. Okay. So this guy, no, this guy, no. Okay. So you need to fail at attacking 4, which you did. This should have got crossed out. Ew. So failing a mission is not registering. Yeah. Okay. That's an API problem. Let's go take a look at API. Next day. Let's fail to show up. Yes. Failed. Assassination failed. Objectives failed. Plus equals 1. Objective.title triple equal assassination and target return objective. Okay. Status failed, but it's not working. Objective target name equals most votes. So I'm only checking most votes, but I'm not checking like other means of elimination. Okay. So I need const eliminated errors equals what? Doesn't have the array of eliminated players. Back up. What about today? So we can do a copy today. Players. Filter. Player. Status triple equals eliminated. So that. Objective target name triple equals most votes dot name. And most votes 0 dot voter name not equal to this player dot name and most votes character triple equal Zombears. What? What's the difference between these two? What is Zombears layer? I forgot. Attack 2 Zombears. You can't fail that, can you? Because, like, if you... Oh, I guess if you turn into a zombie, then you would have failed it. Okay, that's fine. Eliminated players. So the players filter, so we need a or. Const is const is elimination failed equals eliminate players some player where player dot votes 0 voter name not equal to this player name, I think, and also objective.target name triple equals to player dot name, and yeah. Okay. What is most votes? I think I want dot votes 0 over here. And this could essentially replace this, I think. From here to here. Objective.target name triple equals player.name and player votes. The first vote is not equal to this player. I'm pretty sure that could replace that. This part I feel like should not be here. Most votes dot character dot group triple equals Zombear. Yeah, that's irrelevant. Okay. The only issue is, does today contain the eliminated players? Check objectives. Okay. A dot count and yada yada. Okay, players updated today. Players dot map. Return day players updated. So I need players updated inside of that. So I could make a const a updated equals dot 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 day players players updated. A updated will go here. As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna make a const. I'm just gonna do it like that. Now wait. Undo. Player updated is different from players updated. Players updated is not done, so I can't really do that. Interesting. Okay. So I don't know who's eliminated yet. Undo. Okay. I can only know about the player that I'm on. Uh-oh. That poses a problem. Player updated. Check tools. Check objectives. Unless I check tools and check objectives in a separate loop, I could do let, and then updated players updated. Wait, go back. So check tools could potentially eliminate someone. Maybe they can be in two separate loops. Yeah, we could do it like that. Okay. Let, and then players updated equals players updated map player okay, so player updated, so this will be const player updated, and this will be player, and this would be in a separate loop. Player updated. So we would return that. And this would be a copy of A. But our players would be players updated. Oh my goodness. Okay. And similar situation here. Let's actually copy that. And this will go in here. And this would be return instead. This would be player. This is player A. It would be whatever this is. I could delete that. Okay. I think. Yeah. What the heck? All right, let's test it. We'll see if it works or not. Okay, so your target is 2. You are going to use Inferno on 2. Your target is 2, but you're going to fail at it. And let's attack 4. And you will attack 2. Okay. Oh, I did it wrong. Well, whatever, we'll see. So 4, you never really liked 2. Now is your chance to get rid of that. Oh god, this is all kinds of broken. So that's not good. That should have stopped. Let's look at the code. What happened? So players updated, check tools, player updated. I mean, like, players updated, map player, player, index, whose index? So that ends there. You need index. What? Yeah, you don't need index. Okay. Will that solve it? Refresh. So you never really like 2. Let's Inferno 2. And we will target 1. Okay. You never really like 2. This should have got canceled. That did not happen. Although that worked. So what's the difference? Yeah, what's the difference? Why didn't this get canceled? Now's your chance to be rid of. Didn't you initiate the attack for? I feel like you did. 2. You were defeated. You have been eliminated. You never really liked to. Now's your chance to be rid. So let's put some console logs, but at least there's no additional bug. So that's good news. Check tools, check objectives. So let's see, eliminated players. Player.status eliminated. So I want to see what eliminated players is. Is elimination failed? As well as this.player.name. Let's move this up. Okay. Objective dot target name player dot name player dot votes 0 dot voter name not equal to this player dot name. Okay. I think I could safely move this in here. Oops, needed that in. That's a separate problem. Okay. Let's try that again. So your target is 2. You're gonna flamethrower. Your target is 2. You're gonna fail at it. And we'll all attack 3. Oops. Okay. That didn't complete. You got eliminated. You got eliminated. And that's unrelated. So it looks like burning does not do what we want. Okay, last one. Let's look at our API output. This dot player. What's the first line? This dot player for eliminated players. Fruits. Oh, okay. Name 2 is there. Status eliminated. All right, let's read. Objective title assassination. And eliminate player, some player, objective dot target name triple equals player dot name and player dot votes dot voter name not equal to this player dot name. Oh wait, we're talking about a success criteria, not a failed criteria. So it should be this is assassination. Okay. So basically replace this logic with what we have here. Okay. So we can move that up. If in objective in progress, yes. Eliminated players is assassination. And what was this? All right, let's compare and contrast. Objective title, assassination, and objective target name, most votes. Basically, it should be this instead of that. But instead of not equal to this player name, it is indeed this player name. Is leader. Be a leader, most votes, most votes. Zombears player, most votes. Is Zombears player has gone viral. If is assassination status complete. Okay. Pretty sure that should solve. Alright, target is 1. Let's flamethrower 1. Your target is 2. Let's attack 2. So both should complete their objectives. Nice. That one's good. This one, not so much. Wait, objective completed. So that was good. Oh, it's on the bottom. Nice. So they both did what they're supposed to do. But what if you fail your objective? I wonder, how will that go? So your new target is 4, and your new target is 3. Oh, this is not going to work out. Let's just have a new game and then we can test it. All right, so your target is 1. I'll come back to you. Your target is 1, so you will attack 1, and then you will follow suit. And then your target is also 1, but you will attack 4. And you will attack 2. So you're gonna fail at your objective. Oh, I shouldn't have burned you. Whoops. Wait, what? Oh, 1 is still in play. So what do we do? Who's your target? 1. Everyone's target is 1. Okay, so let's just restart. I did that wrong. All right, you never really like 2. Now's your chance. So you're gonna wait. Does someone else want to attack 2? No. Does someone else have a match? We've got 2, 1, 4, 3. They're all different. Okay then. So if you want to attack 3, then you're going to be late to it. You go first, you go second, you go third, and you go fourth. Wait, let's think about this. Okay, we have a tie. Good. Wait, what? It proceeded anyway, but there was a tie. Shoot. Oh well. That's a different bug. So let's have 1 burn 3. No, 1 will just attack 3. Someone's gonna fail at their objective. I think 4 will fail. Yeah. Okay, let's do it like that. 4 will fail at their objective. Nice. Okay. Your new objective is to attack 2. Attack 2. Oh, Zombears layer also worked out good. So everyone wants to attack 2. So how about you burn 2 and 2 will attack 4. 4 will attack 4. Yeah, let's do that. That way, 2, this should fail. Yeah, it failed. Nice. And for 1, it should have succeeded. Attack 2. Nice. So it's all working correctly. Sweet. We can call it a wrap here, and I'll create a new branch. Branch name. 210. Wait, that was the last one, wasn't it? Yeah, it is. This is 209 task instruction and checkbox. Oops. Check out faster, not allowed. We can get stash. Check out faster. Check out branch web 209 tasks. Task checkbox instruction and checkbox. Stash apply. Now get add, get commit, feature, tasks, checkbox, push origin head, switch over, get checkout branch W209, task instruction, and get add, commit feature. Oh, actually, the side it wasn't fixed. Tasks, go to account for tool, elimination by tool, slash profile, and shortcut there, good push origin head. Let's review some code. Start with web. So decreasing main container width so that the sidebar width increases. We created our checkbox over here. Let's see, does that look about right? Yes, okay. And created checkbox with some logic. Yeah, that's fine. So this can merge, but let's go over to API. It was more API heavy actually than expected. Let's create pull request. I should probably mention 209 over here too. Okay, and review. So we are no longer checking just most modes. We want to check the array of eliminated players. Yeah. Console logs. Let's remove that. Add, git commit, drawer, console, remove logs, push. So we had to break this into 3 different parts because it was kind of each check was dependent on the previous players already being updated. So that's why it is the way it is. And let's double check that the logic looks right. Player votes not equal to this player name, yeah. Okay. And this looks more or less like how it was. Player updated is the player because we're passing the player's updated array, yeah. And each day is updated with the previous updated players updated. Okay. Yep, I'm okay with this. Merge, And let's go to web. Check and merge. Okay, that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. And if you like what I'm doing here, then like, subscribe, and there'll be more of this. Thanks for watching.